I'm going to show you how to add assets to items using the Omeka Dropbox plugin. We first go to Items, and I've decided ahead of time that I'm going to be working on items 2007-001 and up sequentially. So I'm going to go into Search, hit these three dots here to Advanced Search, and narrow by specific fields. And again, it is identifier that I'm interested in, being 2007. That is our number, which contains 2007-00. That should bring up about 10 items, assuming that all of the fields are populated. Search for items. And at this point, I can see that I've already put in one of them. It already very obviously has an asset attached to it, but none of the others do. So I will arbitrarily pick the first one I see here on the list, Edit. And at this point, I have no idea what our identifier is for that. So I'll go Command F in Firefox, IDENT, and I can see the identifier is 2007-008. Go to the top of the screen and click Files, Add Dropbox Files, Filter Files by Name. This reduces down the list to 007-0. And I can see I've got 2007-008. And Save Changes. And we can see that item 3334 was successfully changed. And that is item 2007-008. I'm going to go to Previous Item. It's just there's a idiosyncrasy the way they roll in, but as you work with it for a while, you'll understand it and it'll become very obvious. But I am going to hit Previous Item. And that is 2007-007. Since we're in the middle of a work session, Edit, Files, Filter by Name, 2007-0. And you can see that the files are there. 2007-008 is no longer visible because I've already used it. And as you use them from Dropbox, they disappear from this list. That's one thing that does make it easier to work with. So I'll click on 2007-007, Save Changes, and item successfully changed. And then we just continue, and then when we're done, we're tired of doing it. Since all changes are saved automatically, you can quit the session at this point.